Hey there. Today we're going to be setting up a mod manager for Lethal Company. We're going to run through downloading and installing it, setting up the mod manager and downloading some mods, exporting a profile and then importing it on another computer so your friends have the same mod order as you. And then we're going to learn to host and join a modded game. Let's get to it. So first things first, we're going to look up the mod manager. I use the R2ModManager. You can get it straight from the Thunder store or the official website. We're going to head over to the Downloads tab and hit Download Now for the latest version. Scroll down till you see the Downloads button. Click that. Hit Save. And that's going to download. Once that's done, we're going to extract it and install it. Okay, once you've got it downloaded, we're going to right-click it and hit Extract All. You can extract it straight to the Downloads folder again. And now you should have two folders. You're going to open up the new one. And we're going to run the R2ModMan setup.exe. You can install it for everyone on the computer or just for yourself. If you don't know what this is, just leave it as is. And then check Run R2ModMan and hit Finish. So the first screen is going to ask you to choose a game. We're going to look up Lethal Company. And if this is the only game you're going to use this mod manager for, you can hit Set as Default and it'll always load to Lethal Company. So from here, we're going to select a profile or create a new profile. I like to create a new one and just call it modded and hit create. From here, you're going to make sure it's highlighted and then hit select profile. And this is the main page. You can either start a vanilla game without mods from Steam, or you can start a modded playthrough. We're going to hit online to look up some mods. This one is depended on by a lot of other mods, but I'm going to show you a different way to go about downloading that. We're going to look up More Company. What I like to do is hit sort and then sort by download count. This is the mod I use. It lets you have more players. You'll hit download. And you'll want to download the latest version. And notice how it says download with dependencies. Anything that this mod requires to run will automatically be downloaded with the mod itself. So we're going to click download. We're going to hit over to installed. And now you'll see there's two mods installed, More Company and Beppin EX. This is the one that was required by More Company. You'll see that both this one says it says disable when you hover over it, but this blue means it's enabled. And from here you can so from here we're going to click settings, go to profile. We're going to export this profile as a code. You can do it as a file as well, but I just like to do it as a code because I can copy and paste it. So we're going to click that, and then we're going to copy this code. It'll be different for you. Every code is randomly generated. You'll hit Control-C, and then hit Done. And all Control-C does is copy it. And if you want to change your profile, you'll hit Change Profile. So from here, if you just downloaded the mod manager and you want to get the list of mods from your friend who has already exported the profile and sent you the code, you'll head over here to import/update. Click on that. You'll say import new profile, and you'll hit from code. In this text bar, you'll hit Control V to paste the code that you just got, and hit continue. It'll tell you the mods that it's about to download. You'll hit import. So I've already got a profile here named modded. We're just going to go ahead and hit 1 to make it modded 1 and hit create. So once this one is highlighted, you'll hit select profile. And then from here you can verify that you have the same mod order as your friend. Good practice is to run the game with the mods you installed before you export it to make sure that it works on your machine. From here, you'll hit Start Modded. Splash screen will pop up saying that it's launching via Steam, and that pop-up there is the host. Basically, and that pop-up was the mod manager running the mods in the background. As you can see here, it's still there. So once you're loaded into the game, you'll hit online. On the main menu, there's this green icon down here. If you click it, the mod More Company comes with a few different cosmetics you can add to your character. Here you can enable or disable them, and then you can click the X. From here, if you were going to host the game, hit host. You can do a public lobby or your friends only. Right here you can change the crew size. You'll just type in a number, we'll change it to 6. You'll choose a file and hit confirm. So once you're in the game, you can hit escape or start and hit invite friends. This will bring up your friends list, which you can just click on them to invite them. There's also another way, and I'll go ahead and show that now. When you're ready to quit out of the game, you'll just hit quit, hit confirm. Now, on the main menu, this says join a crew. I feel like it doesn't really search for your friends, so best way to do that is to hit Alt and Tab at the same time till you get to Steam. Click on your friends list, and from here you can right click one of their names or hit the drop down arrow, and there should be a option here that says join game if they're playing Lethal Company, and you'll be thrown straight into their game. And that's how you play a multiplayer modded game of Lethal Company. When you exit out of the game, you'll see this splash screen here still. You can just hit the X and then exit out of the mod manager.